Hey, unwrap this bun that's been up here for a couple of days now. I've got to put my Michael Jackson glove on to make sure my hair is done correctly. Put a nice part on one side. I got my rainbow curling iron. And I'm moving kind of fast, so y'all keep up. Bobby pin. Right there in the back. Curling iron. Curl it all the way to the end. Okay. And a little bit of spray on there to make sure that curl stays. Another bobby pin. This is good. This is going to be routine. This is going to be a kind of a ongoing thing throughout this video. No curls left behind. Spray on my Michael Jackson glove. We actually could kind of fast forward through this because y'all get the gist of it. We're going to do a bobby pin. We're going to wrap my hair around the curling iron and spray it. And just be patient. It's a process, ladies. So you just keep on doing it. Make sure you don't burn your forehead. Cause I almost got just a little bit of my forehead right there. But I have to keep my cool so I don't. There you go. Another bobby pin right there at the top. Oh yeah, my husband got me a chocolate covered strawberry. That thing good too. Oh, and he came and fed me one. That one was good, even better. I'm about to put some of this on my face. I forgot the name of it, but it's about to go on. There it is. I think it's a primer, I think. A little under the eye. You want to make sure you get it all over your face. And that T, I believe this is called the T-zone. A little less than the T. And then we're about to put this on here. Yeah, put that all over your face real good. There we go, there we go. Hit all angles. Get the eyebrows. Eyebrows must be on fleek on every video. So let's get that taken care of, and then we can move on. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just using my little brush that I have in my hand, and I'm just gonna draw out the eyebrows and the natural shape of them. All right, now don't overdo it, ladies, because I've seen some eyebrows that are just whew. So you want to keep that natural shape. You want to make sure you want to blend it with as close as you can with the same color eyebrows. You don't want to go too dark or too light, because everybody will be able to tell. So you want to make it natural hair strokes. That's what you want to do. As you can see on the left side, or whatever the other side is that I'm doing right now, that one is already finished. So you see the finished product. So what I'm doing right now is just getting those natural brush strokes so they look like hair. All right, there we go. All right, now we went back, and we're going back to it again. Some natural, you know how the natural hair is right there near the middle. All right, I'm excited about this, what I'm about to do. And we're gonna go back to the brow. All right, we got my e.l.f. makeup mirror, what I'm using to make sure my eyebrows look perfect. Look at that. Now I'm gonna get up underneath it so you can really see the contrast, so you can really see that eyebrow pop. All right, so check that out. Now tell me I ain't doing a good job right now. You a lie if you say anything different. Look at that, look at that. You want to draw it all the way out. There it is. Blend it in, ladies. You have to blend it in. if you do not blend, it don't look good. You waste your time. The blending is a must. Blend it all the way out, okay? All right, now we're about to put on some more. I forget the name of it, but you know what it's called. You know what it's called. All right, here we go. There we go. There we go. And hold your eyebrows right. There we go. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of some powder, some cream stuff up underneath my eyes, right around the nose. You know what I mean? So we wanna blend that all in there. Well, we ain't blending yet. We just wanna apply it first. That's what we're doing first. We wanna apply it, get it up underneath it. And we wanna hit that chin. Or hit, yeah, that's the chin. Okay, so we kind of touching all ends of the T zone is what we're doing right now. Okay, so now we're gonna go right up in, look at that, highlighting, contouring. We're doing one of those. I think we're contouring right now. So right now we're blending it, blending. We wanna make it look natural. You wanna make sure you get a color that's very close to your skin type. There's nothing worse than seeing a woman walking around with orange face or a pale face. So you want to make sure it's as close to her skin type, your skin type, as possible. Take a little time, ladies. Go out into Sephora, to your drugstores, and try them on. If you don't like them, return them. Don't keep putting it on your face if it don't look right, okay? There's no shame in returning it. All right, so what we're doing is blending it out, blend it out. Blend it all the way out. All right. There we go. We got something else we're gonna put up on our face right now. Yep, just a dab there and a dab here. Keep doing that. Right there on the chin, yes. All right, we're gonna get another little container. And we have to use, you see what I'm using, the beauty blender, all right? Blend it in there good and take your time with it. Do not rush. Blow some of that excess off. All right, it's coming together. There we go. And brush it out, brush it off. I think what I'm doing now is just brushing off some of that excess because you do not want build up. Okay, so we're gonna 1, 2, 3 it. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're gonna get that nice contour right there is what I think is what it's called. We're gonna make sure that jawline is popping for you. So when you go out in public, you can see that jawline from at least 50 feet away. Okay, we got something else we're gonna put on our face. There you go. Put it all around the mouth and your forehead. Get the edge. Get it right up there to the edges of your hair. Yep. Just pat that stuff all over your face. Be generous with it. But not too generous. You just wanna be gentle generous. Okay, here we go. Other side. There we go. Brush it off. Brush it in. We got a 1, 2, 3 it again. All 3 of those colors that I showed you before. That's what we're gonna apply today. I don't know the name. I'm looking them up. All right. Right there at the edges of the edges. Short little brush strokes. This is art. This is art, okay? All right, we're gonna pat some more onto the brush, put it on. Okay, keep on doing that. There it is. It's a common thing. You just want, okay, here we go. We got this, I think this is Hoda. It's one of them girls. Okay, now we're gonna apply it to the eyelid, right there on the eyelid. I'm applying it with my finger, as you can see. And we can get another color. I ain't figured out what color they are yet, but put them right there on the eyelid, blend it in. We're using the brush on this one. I don't know, it's one of those X3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 brushes, or one of those numbers and letter brushes. Put that on your eyes, blend it in very nice. Okay. Once again, I'm applying the shadow with my finger. Now I'm brushing it in right into my crease there. All right. Even distribution. You don't want it to be too much. Now we're going underneath the eyelid. Okay. My under eyelid. You want to get a good coverage right there. Okay, we're gonna use another color right next to the last color, I believe, and then we're gonna outline the eyebrow. All right. Oh yeah, the wing. We have to do our wing. This is what we're doing on this video right here. Get you a nice wing. Be patient with it. It takes practice. There you go. There's no rush. Get you some more. I believe this is mascara, is what I'm using. Wingtip it. Now go across the eyelid, right there where your eyelashes meet your eyelid. You want to do your best to make it a seamless line. Now I'm brushing in some more powder, okay? Now you see I've done both eyes, wingtip, and I got my lashes on. You see the lashes. I applied those off camera. Okay. I think we done shimmered it up a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Would you look at that? Now we done put a little bit of shimmer powder. Now we're gonna hit that nose. Right there at the top of the nose. Want to contour that, making sure it's a nice skinny nose. Okay, that's what makeup does. You can manipulate things. My nose is beautiful as it is, but you just want to make sure it's a nice. Okay, now we're gonna move on to our lips. Let's stop. All right, let's outline the lips. This is another elf mirror that we're using. Okay, so we outlined it with one color, a darker color. Now we're filling it in with a nice, beautiful, classic red. Okay. You cannot go wrong with a classic red, and everybody knows that. We're gonna fix that wing up a little bit. Like I told y'all before, you gotta be patient. Okay, now we're doing the setting spray. Everybody knows that you apply first a primer, put the makeup on. When the makeup is done, you put your setting spray. Makeup 101. Moving on to the next process. Let all those curls down that have been pinned up with the bobby pins. And this takes forever, so I'm gonna speed this up. There it is. Look at that coming together. My husband, I know he thinks I'm just beautiful right now. Let each curl out gently. You do not want to mess up the curls. You put too much time in getting them all pinned up to be rough with them. So let the curls out gently. All right. It's an art to all of this. Practice makes perfect. So if you mess up the first time, go back and do it again. Now that looks, ooh-wee. That looks real good right there. Look at that. I'm gonna fluff it a little bit, give it a little bit of volume. That's what we want to do. Give it a little bit of volume because it's nothing worse than having a flat curl. All right, touch some edges up. Touch those edges. Put a little edge control right there. You must control the edges. Ain't nothing worse than a nappy edge. All right, so you see my edge control, 48 hours, I believe, 48 something. All right, now we're gonna use some of that Shea Sleep, a little bit of spray so it can stay on there, because it's been raining a little bit here where I live, and I cannot afford to let all this hard work go to waste. We need to keep it as nice as it can be. Don't want to let any frizz get on it. So we're gonna spray it generous, spray it. Do not be worried about it. You can buy some more. Just spray, spray, spray. Spray as much as you can. Spray it on the edges. Peace. Love you. Peace and blessings. My husband doing hard work out here. We supposed to be having dinner right now, but I told him to bring himself outside so we can have a little videography session. We'll look at him, getting my toes to my thighs, beautiful thighs. Ooh, look at that outfit. Everybody was staring as they came in. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. And matter of fact, there's a little icon with a bell on it. Hit that and you'll get notifications every time I upload a video. Now I'm gonna enjoy my date with my husband. Love you guys. Bye.